Hi guys, just wanted to give you an update on what we've been doing this week. Check this out.
Are you really gonna film me?
I said I was. Look at this. It's clean under there and all this stuff.
There was a lot more here. I got rid of some, but we're trying to go through everything and get rid of the stuff we're not using and keep and rearrange some of the things we are using to give us more room down in the basements. And one of the things I discovered I had on the table,
What?
regular light bulbs. They're LED light bulbs.
Look at that. A whole collection of
We
them.
don't have one lamp. We don't have one lamp that takes regular light bulbs. And I've got floodlights. There was flood bulbs in there. Those are brand new bulbs. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I don't know why I have.
This is why we're doing a clean-out process.
So they have gotten a 10,000 mile tour around the United States. So these light bulbs are well traveled.
All right, so
We have our live tonight, and I don't even know what the topic is going to be. It's probably, we're going to have to talk about purging some of the stuff that you don't use over time, and what is the best time to purge stuff and say, you know what, we're not using that. Everybody has their own little methods. We'll talk about that tonight. And that's it. We'll see you guys tonight. It's a few hours away, 4 or 5 hours away. And yeah, I'm kind of working on a garage sale here, I think. I don't know.
Yep, there you go.
There's so much stuff.
All right, guys, we'll see you tonight.